Hi friends, welcome to EPIT Research Labs Private Limited. Today the project is about load control using message and call protocols. So for this we have used an Arduino Nano with SIM 900A to receive the messages, and we have used an adapter 12 volts to give the power supply to SIM 900A. We have made 12 volts to 5 volts using buck converter and given to Arduino Nano, and a display with an I2C, and the power supply 5 volt is given to 4 channel relay, and we have used two-way switches so that we can manually control the loads, or we can make it control using SMS using relays. So let's go to the working of the project. I am initializing the Arduino Nano. Welcome to smart home. We have to wait till SIM 900A gets initialized. It's initializing. Once it's initialized, we get the network ready and sim mode set. So we need to these are the four loads L1, L2, L3, L4. We can manually switch on off using a message. So I'm switching on load 1. You can see the load 1 got turned on. I'm switching on load 2, L2, ONN on. I'll just show you. Once I switch on load 2, you can see load 2 got switched on. I switch on load 3. You can see load 3 got turned on. I can manually switch off the loads using the switches, two-way switches, or else I can switch on using the application, using the messages. So I'm switching off the loads. So every load is on. I'm switching off the load using a command L1 off or L off. L off means completely all loads will get off. So I'm giving L1 off. So I'm making all loads off. So I'll give a command L off. So now I'll make a call to the sim. So once I given a call, it directly switches on all the loads. So to make the loads off, I just give an L off. All loads will get off. So from this you can switch on off using a sim or call. Thank you. For the more videos, go to the description, subscribe to our channel.